Welcome to the world of aquatic animals. Aqua means water. Animals which live in water are called aquatic animals. So children, let's discover the marine life or the aquatic life. From the teeny tiny seahorse, starfish to the gigantic dolphins or whales, the marine life is so amazing. So children, are you ready to discover the amazing facts about sea life? Let's go. Children, have a look at the jellyfish. They are transparent, umbrella-shaped creatures. They have thread-like structures in them. You know, children, they neither have brains nor bones in them. They have special type of proteins in them. And their body is made of jelly-like substance. That's why the name jellyfish. And children, one jellyfish can split into two and clone themselves. That means one jellyfish can split into two and becomes two new jellyfishes. Isn't that amazing, children? So, jellyfish have proteins in them, a special type of proteins. They have the capability to clone themselves. As I said, one jellyfish splits into two and becomes two new jellyfishes. I wish I had the power of cloning. Imagine two Nomita ma'am standing before you. Children, what is this? This is very soft. What is this? This is correct. This is an octopus. Octopus having 8 limbs or tentacles. Have you heard the word octagon, children? Octagon means a polygon or a closed figure having 8 sides. That is called an octagon. In the same way, octopus has 8 limbs or 8 tentacles. That's why the name octopus. And you know, children, an octopus has 3 hearts, 9 brains, and the color of the blood color of the octopus is not red, it is blue. By the way, how many hearts we have, we human beings? Can you tell? Don't know? It's okay. I'll tell you. We human beings have 1 heart, 1 brain, and the color of our blood is red. You are correct. And the octopus has the ability to change its color according to the surroundings, and that is called camouflage. Whenever it sees any animal attacking it, it will, camouflage itself with the surroundings. It changes its color, the body color, with the surroundings so that it cannot be seen. And on top of it, it has the capability to ink. That means from its body, an ink comes out. Whenever there is a suspected attack, it will disappear. The other animal cannot see. That sounds interesting, isn't it? Wow, such a beautiful fish, isn't it, children? It has got red and white stripes on its body. It is called discus or commuter fish. It can be kept in aquarium. It is vibrant and colorful. I love this fish. Children, such a beautiful fish. It is also called the Siamese fighting fish and popularly known as bettas. It is available in all colors and it has beautiful designed, the tails and fins. And one interesting fact about this splendens or the beta's fish is it can feel pain and anger. So children, be careful. Don't try to trouble it, okay? Children, what is this? Such a huge and gigantic creature. It's actually a dolphin, okay? But it is called female orca. It is capable of killing leopard seals and great white sharks. Children, you know how many teeth it has? It has 45 teeth. How many teeth we human beings have? Do you know? An adult human being, has 32 teeth. And this great female orca sleeps with one eye open and one eye closed. Isn't that interesting? And children, the female orcas, each tooth is about 7.5 centimeters long, which helps in tearing and killing other big white sharks. Before it kills me, let me run from this place.